Slovenian engineer David Vukovic has created a unique watercraft called the hydrofoil jet ski Flyway. This electric jet ski with hydrofoils combines advanced technology and innovative design, allowing it to literally glide above the water's surface. The Flyway can reach speeds of up to 88 kilometers per hour and cover distances of up to 110 kilometers on a single charge. One of the key features of the Flyway is its ability to reduce water resistance using hydrofoils. This not only increases speed and range, but also provides a smoother and more comfortable ride on the water. The Flyway is controlled with an intuitive system that allows the pilot to easily maneuver at high speeds. Designed with environmental standards in mind, the Flyway operates almost silently and produces no harmful emissions. This electric jet ski is perfect for those seeking new thrills in water sports while also caring for the environment. Introducing the Quadrofoil Q2, the first eco-friendly sport electric hydrofoil boat. The Q2 is an advanced electric vessel designed for two people, capable of reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour with a turning radius of 7 meters. Its design features C-shaped hydrofoils, enabling silent gliding above the water's surface. The Q2 is developed and manufactured by the Slovenian company Quadrofoil, a high-tech electrical engineering firm dedicated to shaping the future of the maritime industry and redefining water transport. The hydrofoils lift the hull out of the water, allowing for faster movement. Quadrofoil aims to become a leader in electric marine transportation, with plans to develop vessels for both personal use and passenger and cargo transport, all based on eco-friendly hydrofoil technology. Slovak engineers are also keeping pace with technological advancements. The Slovak company Hovercraft has developed an innovative solution for water transportation: the inflatable ferry boat designed to transport cars, equipment, and people across water obstacles. This ferry stands out for its high load capacity and ease of use. For example, the 8-meter version can carry up to 5,000 kilograms of cargo, while weighing only around 200 kilograms. The developers have provided the option to install various types of engines, including electric ones. For instance, with a 50 horsepower outboard motor, the ferry can reach speeds of up to 25 knots. Hovercraft offers this ferry in different sizes, with prices starting at 6,000 euros for the basic models and going up to 10,000 euros for larger versions. The company Sea Rider, which specializes in electric sports, unveiled its latest innovation called the Sea Racer at the Düsseldorf exhibition. This futuristic watercraft has successfully combined the sharp and agile handling of a motorcycle with the instant acceleration of a fully electric jet ski. The standout feature of the new watercraft is its weight. Sea Rider's startup managed to modernize the design to the point where the Sea Racer weighs just around 65 kilograms. The blend of the sleek and compact Sea Racer body with an electric drivetrain provides the new model with excellent speed and dynamic performance. Despite its modest power rating of 40 horsepower, it can reach a top speed of up to 80 kilometers per hour. The built-in battery can power the racing jet ski for up to 50 minutes on a single charge. The current price of the Sea Racer is 28,000 euros. This is perhaps one of the most unusual yachts you have ever seen. Engineers from the company Hanstaiger have created the innovative trimaran Hanstaiger X1, which combines cutting-edge technology, luxury, and unique design. The Hanstaiger X1 is 19.72 meters long and 10 meters wide. This luxurious trimaran stands out not only for its size, but also for the use of modern materials and technologies. The yacht's hull is made of carbon and epoxy resin using vacuum infusion, ensuring high strength and lightness of the structure. The interior of the Hanstaiger X1 meets the highest standards of luxury. The yacht can accommodate up to 6 guests in 3 cabins, each with its own bathroom. Special attention has been given to the owner's master cabin, which has an area of over 30 square meters. The interior features high-quality materials and modern technologies, including an air conditioning system, a fully equipped Miele kitchen, and an intelligent lighting and entertainment control system. Startup named the Flying Ship Company has unveiled a concept that it plans to bring to life in the near future. The concept is an innovative transportation vehicle that combines elements of both a ship and an airplane. Essentially, it is a ground effect vehicle, which utilizes the dynamic air cushion effect, moving at low altitudes over the water. The vessel boasts a high maximum speed of about 280 kilometers per hour, as well as impressive energy efficiency, making it ideal for the efficient delivery of goods to remote and hard-to-reach regions. One of the key advantages of this vehicle is its ability to cross bodies of water much faster than traditional ships, while consuming less fuel than airplanes. The vessel is capable of operating in coastal and inland waters, improving logistics and delivery in challenging conditions. Additionally, this type of transport is highly safe due to its low-flying operation mode, about 1 to 10 meters above the water surface, making it resistant to adverse weather conditions. British engineer Chris Garner has created a truly revolutionary watercraft, the semi-submersible vessel MSV Explorer. This vessel is designed to give passengers the opportunity to observe ocean life while being submerged 1.2 meters below the surface in a special acrylic cabin. The MSV Explorer can carry up to 3 people and has the capability to rotate 360 degrees around its axis. The vessel can reach speeds of up to 8 knots, allowing it to follow large marine creatures. It is also equipped with an electric motor and is controlled using 2 joysticks or a traditional throttle. The vehicle's 24-hour operational capability, with the ability to run for 7.5 hours at full speed, makes it ideal for extended underwater adventures. The Slovenian company Hovercraft has introduced its unique vehicle called AirDrive. AirDrive is an inflatable amphibious vehicle capable of moving across various types of surfaces, including water, mud, snow, ice, sand, and asphalt. It is equipped with electric motors integrated into the wheels, which are controlled remotely. This provides high maneuverability and precise control, allowing the vehicle to be used even in the most challenging conditions. The AirDrive's body is made from double-wall fabric, making it lightweight, durable, and compact when folded. The design also allows for the possibility of equipping the vehicle with solar panels or fuel cells. This innovation from Hovercraft is expected to be in demand across various sectors, including rescue operations, military and special services, as well as for recreation and tourism. Write in the comments which water transport from this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.